Let me show you how to make the most refreshing Osmanthus jelly, a cool floral dessert that's like drinking a beautiful summer garden. Start with 300 ml of water brought to a rolling point. Mix in 30 grams of clear jelly powder and take completely dissolved. This creates that perfect crystal clear paste. The magic touch, a generous pinch of fragrant Osmanthus flowers that release their delicate aroma as they steep. Pour this scented liquid into your favorite glass dish and let it chill in the refrigerator for 2 hours. What emerges is a stunning, translucent jelly that shimmers like stained glass. Cut it into delicate cubes that dance in the bowl. Now the finishing touch, pour over chilled jasmine tea that seeps into every crevice. The floral notes of Osmanthus and jasmine create this incredible harmony that's neither too sweet nor too plain. Each spoonful is like tasting liquid moonlight, cool, delicate, and utterly refreshing. This isn't just dessert, it's an experience. The jelly melts in your tongue while the floral aromas transport you to a peaceful garden, perfect for those sweltering days when you need something light yet satisfying.